Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best motorcycle cruise controls that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Def Grip Lock Clamp Motorcycle Cruise Control. Durability is one factor that makes this motorcycle cruise control stand out from other brands. This is because it has a durable, high quality, and premium aluminum construction. Therefore, it will offer you a long life service. Apart from being durable, it is reliable and efficient. It is a riding companion you can rely on when you are on the road. The motorcycle cruise control comes in a universal fit, making it compatible with most sport bikes and motorcycles. It has an on-top dial that will come in handy to help you tune in the best comfortable fit. Again, the design is convenient as it relieves pressure from the wrists, providing a comfortable riding experience. It comes with an efficient silicone ring, ensuring that your throttle grip is protected. The installation is easy and tool-less, making it easy to use. An instruction manual is included for ease of operation. At number 4. Guime Cruise Control Throttle Assist for Motorcycles. With its anti-fatigue design, this motorcycle cruise control is very convenient. This is because it provides a comfortable experience, especially when you are riding for a long distance. It allows you to relax the grip on the throttle. Ideally, it is efficient since it provides an innovative throttle assist with a single down or up switch press. This motorcycle cruiser control is safe to use on the road, making it a top-notch riding accessory. The interchangeable rubber inserts make it ideal to use with a wide range of grip configurations. The high-quality and durable nylon and rubber construction make it very durable. As a result, it provides a lifelong and reliable service. It has a simple but efficient design that offers a lot of reliable functionality over flashy styling design. The make is also ideal since it makes it easy to use. It comes with mounting instructions for the easy installation of all the functions in less than 15 minutes. At number 3. Cherrypick Junction Heavy-Duty Motorcycle Cruise Control. The Cherrypick Junction Motorcycle Cruise Control comes in a universal fit. This makes it to have a wide compatibility range for most motorcycles and sport bikes. It is equipped with throttle assist that will come in handy for you since it functions to ease fatigue on the wrists. As a result, you can ride in a very comfortable and stress-free mode. You will love this motorcycle cruise control since it is efficient and reliable. Its on-top dial enables easy adjustment to achieve the best fit for your grip, ensuring that you ride in the safest way possible. Again, it comes with a total control clamp, which is another convenient feature. The silicone grip band provides smooth operation of the motorcycle cruise control. Additionally, it protects the throttle grip when it is clamped. It has lightweight aluminum construction for durability. Moreover, it is compact to ensure that it stays out of the way for a safe grip on the handlebar. It is easy to install, and the process does not require any tools. At number 2. Alpha Rider Universal 22mm Black Throttle Mounted. Reduces hand fatigue and cramping for easier throttle operation. Easily wraps around the throttle grip of any motorcycle, comfortably fits the heel of your hand. Cruise at higher speeds in comfort, no more repositioning to maintain your desired speed. It is necessary for your long riding trip and touring. Easily wraps around the throttle grip of any motorcycle, comfortably fits the heel of your hand. Cruise at higher speeds in comfort, no more repositioning to maintain your desired speed. Finally at number 1. Koreakin 6299 Premium ISO Contoured Throttle Boss Motorcycle Handlebar Grip Accessory. With the addition of the Koreakin 6299 Premium ISO Contoured Throttle Boss Grip Accessory, it can make the difference between a quick trip and a cross-country adventure. The small, adjustable paddle positioned under the palm of the throttle hand allows user to slightly relax grip on gas while maintaining a constant speed. Provides a larger surface area and pad for even more comfort than the original design. Ease. Hand and forearm fatigue. Simple to install and easily adjustable to suit your needs. Includes 1. Contoured ISO throttle boss and 4.40 by 9/16 socket head cap screws. Suggested tools for installation not included are a set of hex wrenches. The Koreakin 6229 Premium ISO contoured throttle boss grip accessory is right side compatible with all Koreakin ISO grips, ISO flame grips, and transformer grips. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.